I am going to teach you how to make a recurring appointment. Some clients do want to come every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, whatever it may be. MyTime does allow for you to set these appointments so you don't have to make them every week. So simply, let's say you had an appointment on Thursday at 11 o'clock for a client. What you would want to do is look up that client. You would choose the pet that you are doing. So in this case, you chose the client, now you're choosing the pet, and you will see in the upper right-hand corner, there is a calendar with a half circle, and when you roll over it with the mouse, it says recurring options. So what you want to do is click on that, and it will let you choose how you want to set the frequency. So typically, like I said, most people will do weekly or monthly. If you do weekly, if you do have a client that wants to be every 2 weeks, then you would set it at 2. If it's every 3, 3. I preferably would not choose to do it monthly because weekly does allow you to do up to 12 weeks. But typically, like I said, most clients are once a week, every other, every 3, every 4, every 5, every 6. So let's say this one was 3. We did already hit that it's going to be on a Thursday. If you did want to change that, if it was going to be on a Wednesday instead, then you would click Wednesday and take it off Thursday. When I made the initial appointment, you did see that I made it at 11 o'clock. So right now, I am having my time work on this, but currently, when you want to make a recurring client appointment schedule, you have to click on the time that you want them to be on. So I clicked on 11. So if you have a client that wants to come on a Thursday at noon or 1, make sure you click on that appointment before you set the reoccurring frequency. This one is at 11. I'm saying every 3 weeks on a Wednesday. It will tell you right here at the bottom, it repeats every 3 weeks on a Wednesday at 11 a.m. You can choose an end date. So if you have a seasonal client that might just be there for winter, summer, spring, or fall, you can choose to end on a certain date. You simply click save, and it will save it for you, and then you want to click save. I'm not going to save it right now, only because I want to go back and fix all of this. But when you click save, it will set it for every 3 weeks. You will see after I had saved that right up here, it does say repeats every 3 weeks on Wednesday until August 29th. So it's very simple, very easy way to keep track of the clients who want to come in regularly.